In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the unusual activity detected error on ElevenLabs. Let's get started. First, open ElevenLabs and attempt to generate a voice. If you see the error, click on three-dot menu in the top right. Now head over to the option settings. Once you're over here, navigate to the option privacy and security. Click on the option delete browsing data. Checking for these options, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time and then click on delete data. Likewise, head back. Click on site settings. Now scroll down, head over to the option third-party cookies. Click on the option see all site data and permission. Here search for ElevenLabs. After it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm it. Now navigate back to the ElevenLabs page, refresh the page. You will be logged out. Now provide your credentials and log into your account. With this, your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.